Hi, lovely people. How is your day? Well, I'm recording this at night. It's about a little after 9 o'clock at night. So how was your day? Let me know in the comments down below. So, you read from the title, I am doing Ipsy versus Ipsy. I did a poll earlier today. What did you guys want me to see? Let me try that again. What did you want to see first? And I believe it was like 50% said you wanted to see the Ipsy versus Ipsy. So that's what we are doing. I have my little handy dandy little knife. So this is what I usually do. I want to know, does Ipsy go by profile? So for almost a year now, I do Ipsy versus Ipsy. So I do my real profile that I'm 42, I have dark hair, blue eyes, I'm very comfortable with makeup, and then I do a 25-year-old profile that I have red hair, brown eyes, and I'm not that comfortable with makeup. So the complete opposite, and we will see, do they go by it? Would both profiles get the same thing? So let's just begin. I am going to start off with my real profile. So that I'm 42, dark hair, blue eyes, very comfortable with makeup. So let's open her up. I just got these in the mail today, and I never post this early because I usually always get one in the beginning of the month and then one 2 weeks later. So I was quite surprised to get both of them at the same time. All right, so the bag says, and off she went to change the world. That's really pretty. A lot of things this month have been rose gold. I know our BoxyCharm was themed rose. Everything was rose gold. If you don't know, Ipsy is $10 a month, and then they have an upgrade, Ipsy Plus, which is $25 a month. So this has a little star right there, I guess for star power. I don't know. So let's just open her up. And let's see. Is there a card? Let me look for the card. All right, so here is the card. It says it's National Women's History Month. Amen. Let me read that because I think that is very, very important. It says, to celebrate, we loaded up your March bag with female-founded brands and girl boss staples. That's amazing. So everything in the Ipsy will be by a woman-owned company or, you know, the brand. Learn about these trailblazing founders plus everything you need to know about your 5. Hashtag Ipsy She, no products on Ipsy.com and the Ipsy app. This one is for all the women out there running the show, making her story and helping us look damn good along the way. Amen. I love that so much. So what Ipsy started doing now, it tells you what you have on there, and then it gives you a little bit information about each product, which I think is good. All right, but it does not give prices. So let's see. The first thing that I see is this lipstick by Ciate. And Ciate London. This is in the shade, what does this say? Wildfire. So there we go. Let me try this on and see what it looks like. Let's see. This is a really pretty color. The only thing is, I don't mind getting like the reddish colors, but I don't like orangey reds or anything with orange. Okay. Let's try this puppy on. I'm going to swatch it first. Oh, this is like a gloss. Okay, so this is a gloss, and I should have read up on it. Well, I took it off now, so let's just put the gloss on. Okay. Looking at a mirror right here. Okay. So that is the gloss. It's really pretty. Let's read up on her. All right. This is Mini Lip in Wildfire. The MO British Beauty brand is using makeup to express your inner beauty, and we're always down for that. This vitamin E infused gloss is non-sticky, silky smooth, and creates a sheer wash of pretty red color. You can layer to deepest shade. So let's layer it and see if it gets any darker. Yeah, I guess it does. Yeah, I guess you can layer it. It has like sparkle in it. It's really pretty. So there we go. I'm looking at a mirror far away, so don't mind if it doesn't look right. All right, the next thing we got is a brush. And I always, when I do my reviews, I always tell them that I want tools every month. So if you don't get brushes, make sure in your review, you do your review every month and you write in the little box, you know, that you want to get brushes. All right, so what is this? Okay, so this is a Moda brush right there. Now, you see this here? We got a set of Moda brushes in our BoxyCharm like last year sometime, and I love them. They were more face brushes, but I really liked them. This is nice. All right, let's read up on this puppy. Okay, so this is Royal and Laneco Moda Pro Precision Angle Brush. So that is pretty cool. All right, I like that. The next thing I got every month, I think this is like the third month in a row I got this, Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay. This is a face mask, a pore filming, what the hell? I don't know, face mask. It's so slow. I mean, so slow. My God, Annie, what is wrong with me? So small. But I do like it. So I'm not knocking it because I do like it, but this is really like the third month in a row that I got the same products. All right, 2 more items. This here is a Lord & Berry eyeliner. What shade you be? What shade are you? Supreme Green. So we've been getting a lot of green stuff this month, but I think it's because of St. Patty's Day. This is really pretty. That is gorgeous. Let me put it on my waterline. Let's see. Put some more green on. I already have green on, but let's see. And I don't know if you guys can see. So, there we go. That's pretty. I like it. All right. The last thing we got is a shimmer from Lottie London. Right there. This I'll probably put in a giveaway because I don't tend to go for, oh, that's really pretty, for these single shadows or highlighters or blushes. So what I normally do is, since I do Ipsy versus Ipsy, anything I get doubles of or things I know I'm not going to wear, I put in a bag, and then once it gets, you know, the bag is filled, I have a giveaway. The last one that won was Kitty Cats. She won the last one. All right, so that's everything in my 42-year-old profile. So we got the highlighter, which I like highlighters. We got a brush, which I tell them I want brushes every month. I love colored eyeliners. I told them I do not want black anymore, so they listened to that. I like lip gloss, and I think this is really pretty, so I'm happy to get that. And this Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay, even though this is the third month I got it, I'm not knocking it because I do like this. All right, so let's look onto the 25-year-old profile that I say I have red hair, brown eyes, and I'm not that comfortable with makeup. All right, again, the same bag, and off she went to change the world. I love that so much. Girl power, right? All right, the same card. All right, the first thing that I'm seeing is by First Aid Beauty. This is Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. And I do like this. I have tried this before, and I do like that. I really do. All right, the next thing we got is a Bake Highlight Powder. All right, by Estate. So let's see. Oh, this is a baked highlighter from there. I never heard of this brand. That's why I do enjoy getting subscription boxes, because, you know, you hear about brands that you, I mean, you get brands that you never heard of. So there we go. Let's do a little swatch right there. This is like a pink color. It's very, very subtle. Let me read up about this. Let's see what this is. Let's see. All right, so yeah, this is a Do Me Baked Highlighter in Pearl. So it is a highlighter, but I'll try it wet. Let's show you again. And try it. All right. The next thing we got, oh, this is from Tarte Cosmetics. This is in Man Eater. I really like this mascara a lot. I don't want to open it and show you the wand because I have like 10 mascaras already open. So I don't want this to go bad, but I will definitely put some use into that. All right, so we got another brush here. Is this from SL Glam? Let's see who this is from. Yes, SL Miss Glam. This is the SS62 Short Shader Brush. Now, let me open this up, and I'm going to tell you what I enjoy using this for. Let me open this up here. All right. So this is really, really pretty. I think that is gorgeous. Now, do you see how this right here is so small? What I like doing for these is either if you're cleaning up your brows, but I really like, you can either go under your eyes, but I enjoy this to put when I put highlighter right here where my brow is, right there. I use these. So this is a really gorgeous brush. All right, one more thing is from... This is Pharmacy. This is the Green Clean. Now, we got this in a BoxyCharm, a full size, and I absolutely loved it. And this is a decent size. This is a really good size. I am so excited to get this. I like that a lot. So, let's see. Did it match our 25-year-old profile that's not too comfortable with makeup? We got the Pharmacy Green Clean. This helps you take your makeup off. We got a brush, which is great. We got a mascara, which is great. We got a tinted priming moisturizer. And we got a baked highlighter that is subtle because I say I'm not comfortable with makeup, so it's not blinging. I think this month, they really went by the profiles. And to be honest, I think I like this bag better, the 25-year-old. I think it's because of this. Like, I am so excited to get this. I think the brush is pretty, and I love that mascara. So let me know down in the comments below, what profile did you like better? Did you like mine, the 42-year-old, or did you like the 25-year-old? Which one did you like better, and do you think they went by profile this month? Comment down below, let me know. But that's everything, guys. Make sure you like this video because it really does help me out. Comment down below, let me know how your day was and which one you like better. And I hope you guys have a great night or great day or great afternoon wherever you are. And I still have a giveaway going on for the Boxy Luxe. So make sure you check that out as well. And as always, I leave videos right here in case you want to watch more of me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.